I'll be showing how to fix computer interface. First thing you want to do is go to my Discord. It'll be in bio. Download this, and then you want to go to File Explorer, Downloads. You want to go here. You must have WinRAR. You'll have to download that, and then open with WinRAR. Go to Plugins. But you have to go to my email manager, go down, and then select all the bottom ones beside Banana Hook. Go to computer interface, and then you want to copy these and drag them right here. And then wait for this to load. You exit off of this and this. I'll show that it works by going on Gorilla Tag. Okay, just wait for it to load. And see, it does work.